In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a line in Notion. Many of us use Notion daily to organize our thoughts, plan projects, or manage our lives in one place. One of the simplest yet underrated features is the ability to insert a line or a divider, which can help make your pages clean, organized, and easy to navigate. So let's dive right into it and see how you can add a divider in Notion in just a few simple steps. First, you want to get started by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Notion's website. If you're already a Notion user, you might already have it bookmarked, or you might have the desktop app. Either way, open the Notion application or log into your account if you aren't already. You should now be on the main dashboard where you can see your pages and blocks of notes. Next, choose the page where you want to insert the line, or if you prefer, create a completely new page. To do this, simply look for an existing page that might be a great fit for your new divider, or click on the New Page option. This will allow you to start fresh or continue customizing your current layouts. Once you've selected or created the page, it's time to insert your line. Look towards the left side of your screen. You'll notice a small plus sign appearing beside each block as you hover over it. Click on this plus icon. This icon is your gateway to a plethora of elements you can add to your page from text, headings, lists, and of course, our targeted feature, the divider. After clicking the plus sign, a menu with options will appear. What you want to do here is start typing the word divider. You'll notice that Notion prompts you with autocomplete suggestions as you type, quickly displaying divider as an option for you to select. Simply click on divider when it shows up. And there you go, a neat horizontal line placed exactly where you wanted it. It's a simple line, but an effective one for breaking up thoughts, highlighting sections, or just giving your notes a more structured look. Remember, using dividers can immensely improve the readability of your pages, especially when you have lots of content to sift through. It's all about giving your eyes a visual rest or highlighting the change in topics seamlessly. Whether you're in a brainstorming session, note-taking for a class, or aligning your team's goals, dividing your content can pave the way for better organization and clarity. And that's it. With these few quick and easy steps, you now know how to insert a line in Notion, enhancing the overall utility and aesthetic of your workspace. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps make your Notion experience even more enjoyable.